going on, Beamer boys and Beamer girls? We're back here in the garage with F30 on the lift. Got Sambo over today, giving me a hand with some vinyl wrapping. We're doing smoked out vinyl headlights today. Vinyl headlight tint from Vivid, which is pretty cool because we don't have to use water. Quick side note, while we're on vinyl topic, we just vinyl wrapped the side skirt extensions and got those bad layers reinstalled. So I'm pretty stoked on that. They're looking pretty nice. Sam hooked it up with a stellar job on those. These headlights, they're pretty plain looking. Of course, they have the full silver housing inside, and I don't feel like it really works with the full color scheme that I have going on, especially blacked out emblems up front, black kidney grills, all this other carbon we got going on. So I want to try to darken up the headlights today. I'm excited to try it out. So we're gonna hit these headlights and front bumper area with some bug and smudge remover, clean it up, and then we're gonna lay some masking tape around the outside to try and prevent the vinyl from sticking to the edges where we don't want it. We'll tuck it all in and trim it up and then heat gun it. You can pull off your front bumper for this job, but I'd really prefer not to if we can avoid it. So we're gonna try to do it with the bumper on today. I know Thick Whip definitely did the same thing. He kept his bumper on and it turned out awesome looking. So let's break into this vinyl and see what we can make happen there. So just melt vinyl wrap with it? Is that what it says? Just melt the vinyl.
You got the Girots Garage Bug and Smudge Remover. Here we go. It's not even spraying. Love that. Oh, it's on. It's on.
Oh, really?
Oh, yeah. It's. There we go.
Oh, yeah.
Like a gentleman. Alright, we'll let it on for 30 seconds like the directions say. Ballpark it.
Oh, yeah.
See how it works.
It's looking pretty bug and smudge free.
Yeah, I can still see some buggies on there. Gotta get them layers.
Dissolves bug jerky. Love some bug jerky. You getting that bug jerky off over here?
Bug jerky's getting off.
Oh?
Is it filming?
We got the heat gun over here yonder to dry out any of the cleaner that we got in the gaps here, because we are going to be tucking the vinyl into those gaps and we don't want any moisture back there because this is dry headlight tint. So I'm just going to dry it out a little bit before we apply any material. That's looking a lot better. It was a little sketchy there in the middle, getting that like bunched into that little crevice, but we got her done. Having two sets of hands at the beginning and heating it up and stretching it over the lens definitely helped to get the initial form. And then from there, it's just, you know, applying small amounts of heat and working out all the little bubbles and fingers, getting it pressed in to all of our gaps. As you saw, we were using the card and pressing it in to that seam. We have it pressed in pretty much all the way around right now, and now we're going to try to go around as carefully as we can with the knife and cut off all the excess around the perimeter and peel it out of there, and then we'll go back over our edges just to make sure everything's stuck down. But it's looking pretty fire. What do you think?
Looks good.
Oh yeah.
Start it up.
Masking tape is off. Tint is looking good if you ask me. I mean, look at that. That looks just so much cleaner. This side's still stock, just for a little comparison. And if we hit the unlock button, we should get a nice little lights on comparison. There's stock. Ooh, yeah. Damn. Definitely a lot darker. I'm kind of worried to see how darker my headlights are, but it looks pretty good. think it looks a little different on camera. Oh, pretty accurate. It makes the housing look black. That's the biggest thing that Thick Whip said. John was talking about how it makes your housing look black, and I totally agree. Like, it totally darkens up the headlight. So I'm happy with that. It looks awesome. I'm excited to do the other side and see what it looks like all complete. Time to pull her out and see how she looks. That looks sick. I love it. Kind of want the headlights to turn off so you can see it. Oh, yes. Just like that. Look at those puppies. Woo! I dig it.
Tell if they're tinted in the daytime.
Yeah, they're like, I don't know.
They can obviously tell. They just kind of make, as you said, the housing look black so it looks just more sleek.
It totally goes well with black sunstrip, the dark tint on the windows, all the carbon. Just looks good. And it definitely cleaned up this passenger side a little bit. Like, had all that marring on there, which you can still kind of see if you look really closely, but it cleaned up the look of the headlight. This looks awesome. The tinted side, in the sun, looking at it from the side here, you can definitely notice it's a lot darker, but that's exactly what I was going for. Well, folks, that is a job well done if you ask me. Huge shout out to Sammy for coming out and helping today, per usual. Huge to have a helping hand, especially when working with vinyl like this. Overall, really happy with how this turned out. I am a little skeptical how bright our headlights are going to be at nighttime, but we'll see how dark it is tonight. I'm sure these xenon headlights will burn through the tint, not literally, but they'll shine through. It'll work, I think. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks so much for watching. As always, let me know what you think down in the comments, and we'll see you next time on JD Cars.